All right, we're back with more Rhythm Heaven Groove, and I believe this is going to be the halfway point once I beat all the fifth level stage ones. You know, it should be the halfway point, I think. 'Cause I'm pretty sure there's only 10
You're a
of
seasoned
the things.
entomologist out doing field research. Beep.
All right,
Use your net to catch bugs to the rhythm. Beep.
cool.
How about some practice first? Beep.
You got it.
Press A to swing the net and catch butterflies. Follow your daughter's cues for the right timing. Beep.
Cool. How's it? Oh, okay. That's weird. Sure. Got it.
You did it. Beep.
I did it indeed.
Now for some jumpy grasshoppers.
Oh boy.
Press A to swing the net and catch grasshoppers. Follow your daughter's cues for the right timing.
Cool. This one's not, like, horrible. Whoops. Okay, that one's weird timing. But I think I got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Now to put them both together. Beep.
Is
Press
that
A
it?
to swing.
Okay, I don't need to practice anymore then. Should be easy. Hopefully. Tree! Another one. Missed. Okay, well, I missed. Oh, I hit the butterfly. And the grasshopper. And the butterfly. I'm doing great. Really? I timed it the exact same for all three. Okay, well, that really sucked, but we'll see what the game tells
From
me.
Above Catching Pro. You've got excellent judgment. Really good.
Wow! I passed it at least.
That's
all I really need.
Sure is fun, huh? Check it out. You can now attempt a perfect result on
Like,
Remix Four. If you succeed, you'll unlock Let's Talk. Good luck.
hold on. It's been a second. I mean, it hasn't been too long, but I don't know if I can perfect this. This is gonna be difficult. I mean, here we go, I guess. No practice. I've got this. Ready? First try. I messed up. Alright, well, that's it.
Stage 4.
Oh, can I still do it? First try, here we go. Okay, well.
Stage 4.
Last try, I guess. Definitely first try. Here we go. Alright, let's go back to what we were doing because I never switched at all. Alright, so what am I doing here? Lightning bolting. Alright.
First things first. Beep. You're a tiny alien who can warp.
Got it.
Press A to warp. Try it about 5 times.
Got it.
Beep. Okay. Beep. Let's add a little danger. Beep.
Uh-oh.
Avoid bolts of lightning by timing your warps.
Uh-huh.
Press A to warp right before lightning strikes.
I like this music, actually. This is really fun music. I like this.
Okay. Beep. Got your timing down?
Think so.
Beep. Now for multiple lightning strikes in a row. Look at the
On-screen number, huh? Oh. Okay. Got it. Did I mess up? What? Okay.
Okay.
Better.
Keep in mind that a number will... Time to put your warping...
Alright, here we go. Full thing. This is pretty easy. Okay, well, messed it up immediately. Not too bad. I'm liking this one. It's like parrying in video games. Like, it's super satisfying to, like, time it perfectly. Whoops. I'm sure I could, like, perfect this one if I got the chance for it. If I got the chance for it, I'm pretty sure I could perfect it, probably.
Thoughts from your buds. Basics are looking good. You really focused up. Really
Sweet.
good. You got set, huh?
Only a little bit.
Young
What
Bot
next?
Simulator.
Yum
You
Bot
are a
Simulator, oh
robot with
boy.
a very important job. Catch the jiggly things and laser the nasty ones.
The jiggly things. Alright. Oh, I see. What are they called? Like custards or something?
It's time to start
remember
your late
exactly.
night shift at a factory. Beep. You're a robot, of course, and your job is conveying tasty plates of pudding. Beep. Let me break down the workflow's key points.
Okay.
First, press down to move your arm. Try it 2 or 3 times. Okay. Beep. Now try to catch the pudding by moving your arm at the right time.
Got it. Okay.
Line up your arm movement with the voice after the cue. Beep.
Oh. What?
Okay.
Interesting.
On to the next key point. Beep. Press A to fire a laser from your eyes. Try it 3 or 4 times. Beep. Okay. Beep. Laser the defective pudding. Sync up with the voice after the cue.
Okay. What? I'm pressing it right, I think. Okay, I see. You need to press it while it's falling.
Okay. Beep.
That's weird.
Let's review. Catch good pudding.
Oh, what? Oh, okay, I see.
You're getting the hang of it.
I am indeed.
Now get out there and convey some pudding.
I'll do my best, probably. Uh-oh. That one turned red? I didn't see it. That one did. Okay, I see.
Oops, lights are down.
Uh-oh. Okay, that one wasn't bad. I like that one.
From the line manager. You kept your cool. Really
Really
good.
good. Wow.
I will learn from this and
Alright, what next? Wiper bosses.
Hitch a ride right on the windshield and don't let the wipers catch you. Just watch out for the rain. It's slippery.
Rain is indeed slippery when you're on a surface such as glass.
Jump
Oh
over
boy,
the
here we
windshield
go.
wipers. Beep. How about some practice first? Beep. Press left to make Miss Pink jump and A to make Mr.
Oh, they're
Blue
both
jump.
me.
Start
Uh-oh.
with about 5 jumps each.
Okay.
Okay. Beep. Let's turn on the windshield wipers. Beep.
I don't know if I'm
They'll
ready for
move
this.
after the cue. Time your jump so you don't get tripped.
Got it. Oh, both. Okay. Wasn't too early. The sound effect is like weird. Doesn't play when you press the buttons. It's strange. I don't like it.
Okay. Beep. Now to speed it up. Beep. The wipers will move after the cue. Time your jump so you don't get tripped.
Got it. I like this.
Okay.
I like the faster pace better than the slower pace. That's
Oh no,
that one's
it
more
started
fun.
raining. Watch out, the windshield will be slippery.
Okay.
You'll fall down if you try to jump while it's slick. See for yourself by falling. Let's say 3.
3 times. Okay.
Okay. Beep. Now, what's next? Whoa, the right and left wipers can move separately. Can cars really do that?
Not normally, no.
Anyway, jump over the wipers after the cue. The surface won't be slippery after the wiper does its thing, so don't worry about
Oh,
falling.
interesting. Okay. Oh boy.
Okay.
Got it.
Ready for some fast ones?
Maybe. Here we go.
Each wiper will move Okay. Beep. Now to put it all together. Practice until your timing.
Who needs practice?
Okay.
Easy enough.
Time for the main wiper hopping event.
All right, here we go. I got this. What was that? Cool. That one's one I think I could perfect if given the chance to.
Thoughts from the underlings. You got the basics down cold, bosses. You didn't bat an eye at that storm. Smooth as silk. You always made the best decisions.
Oh, are we
Amazing.
like part of the mafia or something? Was that what all those people
You
were?
absolutely nailed it, bosses.
Oh, it was. Okay, I see. Anyway, that one was kind of fun. I like that one. Definitely could perfect it
Remix 5.
if I was given the
Show
chance
off
to.
your skills in a wild jumble of the 4 games below. No practicing.
All right, here we go. Hop right in. Let's see how well I do on this one. Oh, whoops. Okay. Whoops. I pressed A. I did it again. I pressed A. I missed that one, okay. Hit it. I could definitely do better on this one. Why isn't the grasshopper getting caught? I swear I'm timing it correctly. Well, I missed every single grasshopper.
Your technique.
Really good. Wow. I'm so good at this.
If this were a movie, we'd say it had something for everyone.
Did it? I don't feel like it, but sure. Thanks for the compliment, I guess. Sweet.
Stage 6. You've come a long way.
My flow is at 86.8 or
Soccer
6.
practice was
I mean,
never this fun.
86.6.
Work
There we
on
go.
your traps and kicks along with the rhythm.
Still, it was going pretty well, you know. I'm doing pretty good on this. I'm liking some of these more. Some of them more than others, for sure. But you know, they're just generally fun overall. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe leave a like or subscribe. I don't know. That's up to you. And I hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.